This 2002 Jeep Wrangler Soft Top is located in Tomahawk and has 92,613 miles on it. This Soft Top has a beautiful dark blue exterior paint color which is complemented by a charcoal interior color. This vehicle features rear folding seat, locking glove box, AM/FM stereo with cassette player, door mat pockets, 4-speaker audio system, and many other features. For more information on this great Soft Top, please click the link to the right.